of the biggest reasons people call my office are for questions regarding medical care. They're injured at work, they need care, and they're not sure how the process operates, they're not sure how they're going to get that care. In New Jersey, when you're injured at work, the workers' compensation insurance carrier is responsible for providing you with any medical care that could cure or relieve your underlying condition. So if there's care out there that can make you better, they have to provide it to you. They provide it to you, they pay all of the medical bills associated with that care. It's not like private plan insurance, Blue Cross or Blue Shield, where things aren't covered or there are co-pays. Any medical care designed to improve your condition is the responsibility of the insurance carrier. So if you need surgery, they have to pay for your surgery. If you need post-surgical therapy, if you need crutches, if you need prescription medication, all of that is supposed to be paid for by the carrier. Now, in New Jersey, since the carrier has the responsibility of providing all of your medical care, they do get the right to direct that care. That means they get to pick your doctors. So you'll be injured at work and maybe you have to go to an emergency room. Well, emergency treatment's a little bit different. You go to the hospital, you receive emergency care, and you're released. After that, you need to see an orthopedist. Someone from the carrier should contact you, take a statement, understand what the problem is, and then refer you to a doctor of their choosing. If you want the carrier to pay for your care, you have to go to that doctor. If that doctor believes you need surgery, the carrier will provide that surgery to you. If you need post-surgical care, the carrier will provide that care to you. Now, the carrier gets to make the first decision as to who you go to and what care you receive, but they don't get to make the final decision. If there's an issue, if you disagree with the doctors they're sending you to, or the care they're providing to you, or if they refuse to give you care and you think you need more care, the final decision maker in those circumstances is always the judge. So what my office does, if an issue of medical care arises, is we get whatever records already exist, and we send you to an examination with my own doctor. Not treatment, you understand, but an examination. We tell the doctor what happened in the accident, we provide the medical records, we summarize the medical records, we send you for an appointment, and you give the doctor your subjective complaints. The doctor's going to perform an examination, he's going to write a report, the report's going to give a diagnosis, it's going to say what's wrong with you, it's going to say whether or not you need treatment, and if so, if you do need treatment, it's going to outline a treatment plan, and then hopefully the doctor's also going to say whether you're able to work or not. When I get that report, if the carrier still won't if our doctor believes you need more treatment, and the carrier still won't provide that treatment, then I file a motion with the court, I attach a copy of that report to the motion, and we go before a judge and try and have a judge sign a court order providing you with the medical care that our doctor says is necessary. Now sometimes we win those motions, sometimes we lose. We file the motion, but the carrier does have a right to defend that motion. The real issue though, is the real thing to take from this is the judge does get to decide, and if the judge agrees with us, you are either going to get more care or different care, and you're going to get to move on and get what you need.